Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Lesson. Today we talk about marketing. In this video we cover what is marketing, difference between marketing and selling, different types of orientation like production orientation, selling orientation and marketing orientation. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and share with your friends. This lecture is useful for all the student who is pursuing for the marketing paper. Either maybe marketing management or principle of marketing or essential of marketing. I hope this presentation will be helpful for all those students. So let's start. Marketing is the management process responsible for identifying, anticipating and satisfying customer requirement profitably. This is the very generic definition of marketing. Under this definition, first we understand the present requirement of my customer. First we identify the present requirement, present needs and wants of my customer. Similarly, we can anticipate the future needs and wants of my customer and try to fulfill the present and future requirement of my customer and satisfy my customer and earn profit. This is the very generic definition or meaning of marketing. It means once you understand the needs and wants of your customer and try to fulfill the needs and wants of your customer through product and services and satisfy your customer, then definitely you will get the profit. Now we will talk later on about detail of marketing. Now coming to the difference between marketing and selling concept. Previously we understand selling is marketing, marketing is selling, but now it's not same. And if you are understanding marketing is as similar as selling and selling is as similar as marketing, it's wrong. They both have a different concept. If we talk about the selling concept, under the selling concept, we are mainly focusing on seller point of view. Means whatever product we are producing, we want to sell their product. We are not understanding what is my customer requirement and what they wants to me, what quality, quantity, product. We will not talking about this. Whatever we are producing, we want to sell this product through different sales technique. But under the marketing concept, firstly we identify the customer requirements and for the future we anticipating the future requirement and try to fulfill all the customer requirement through all possible product and get profit. This is the one basic difference. Another basic difference is under the selling concept, seller wants to earn more and more profit. But under the marketing concept, profit is, yes, we want to earn profit, but our primary focus is on customer satisfaction. Selling concept is only applicable where the competition is low. But nowadays everybody understands. If you want to purchase one product, there are n number of substitute available. So if you want to sell your product, you have to understand what is your customer requirement, what they wants to you. So nowadays under the 2020 situation, we will not only focusing on selling concept, we have to work on marketing concept. Now we will start the whole starting initial lesson of marketing, different types of business orientation. Before starting different type of orientation, if please like my channel and subscribe. Number one, production orientation. This orientation based on production. Manufacturer were in a supplier marketer faced with insatiable demand to produce more. Means in this type of orientation, 18th and 19th centuries, where the competition is very low and we are the only one manufacturer of any product, so we are producing in a huge quantity of our product to satisfy our customer requirement. There is no other alternative of my product. For example, Bajaj scooter. At that time there are only one or two competitor only in the market, so everybody like Bajaj scooter, they don't have a other substitute. So here the supplier have a too much demand and they produce their product in a huge quantity. Selling orientation. The selling concept states that effective demand must be created through persuasion using sales technique. Means here we are mainly focusing on wants to sell our product, and for selling our product we use different types of sales technique to sell our product. The difference between production and selling orientation, here the maybe the few competitor is available in the market, so everybody wants to sell their product, so we have to use different sales technique to sell our product. And here the demand is less than supply. Everybody understand economic law. If demand is less than supply, so price maybe goes down. Now coming to the next orientation, marketing orientation. The marketing or concept assume that to survive in a long term, an organization must ascertain the needs and wants of its target market. Means if you want to survive in the market for the longer period, not for the short term, before that you have to understand your requirements of your customer, means target market. What is target market? For example, like my target market is 8 to 12 years baby girls. So it means I am targeting only 8 to 12 years baby girls. Because market is too wide, I cannot capture whole the market. So I am just focusing on one particular segment, 8 to 10 years baby girls or 8 to 12 years baby girls. So I am producing the product those who fulfill the requirement of 8 to 12 years baby girls, means cloth of 8 to 12 years baby girl, shoes, toys, Barbie doll or any other type of product. It must then provide goods and services that satisfy target customer requirement. Once you decide your target market, then you prepare the product according to your target market needs and demands. And if you are producing the product according to your target market needs and demands, definitely your customer will be satisfied with your product and you will get the profit. And same thing, your customer will be your customer in the future and you will be survive in the long term. This is the marketing orientation. Please like my channel, subscribe it and share my video with your friends. Thank you.